Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. Today we're talking about the Fastcap Fastbreak, both the standard and the XL. This little sandpaper strip in here will cut the edges off the top and bottom of your boards, so when you're doing batch work and working in production, it'll make that job so much quicker and easier. It also keeps the cutting on both the top and the bottom edge very even, so when you're just going along quickly, needing to take that off, to take off the sharp edge and to stop out any other chip outs popping up, this guy will do it quickly and accurately every time. There's the standard size edge brake, which is great for boards between 6.4 and about 28.5 millimeters. So that's good for your smaller work. And then there's the Fastbreak XL, which is for boards from 19mm up to 60mm, so it's great for doing wider boards, whether you're doing a dining table or perfect size for doors as well. For more information on either of these products, or any of the other products we sell here at Timbecon, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.